Hey, what's up? This is Luke Kubo from Profit Boosters, and in this short video, along with my friend Todd, we'll show you how to create a text-to-speech avatar like this one in 5 minutes or less, using an easy video animation software.
The software is also empowered with lip sync technology I'm using right now, so if you record your own voiceover, then the software will sync it with the lips of the avatar. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification icon right now, because we'll be uploading more helpful videos, and watch this very video to the end, because we will show you how to get a huge discount for this powerful Powtoon Alternative, which by the way has some great additional features that makes it a very easy animation software.
Let's check it out.
Once every few years, there comes a revolutionary video software that changes the way that you create video forever. Now, what you're about to see today is the next generation video builder technology that's light years ahead of everything else that you've seen before. Now, unless you've been living kind of under a rock in the past couple of years, you must know that when it comes to getting people's attention online, nothing beats video. And once you get their attention, it makes turning them into loyal fans, subscribers, and yes, buyers a whole lot easier, doesn't it? Now, to do that, you'll want to create super awesome videos that leverage the latest in 3D animation, text-to-speech, and lip-sync technology that not only captivates your viewers, but motivates them to take action. But let's face it, to do that, it does take time. It takes equipment, software, and expertise that most marketers and business owners simply don't have. And the alternative is to hire someone who does. And who's got the budget for that? Well, today I've got some great news for you. Now, anyone can create powerful, professional, and dynamic videos with just a few clicks of the mouse, because Video Builder is here. Hi, this is Todd Gross, and in this short video, we're going to introduce you to our newest product that takes the latest video creation technology, 2D and 3D visual effects, and yes, even the latest cutting-edge avatar and text-to-speech and lip-sync technologies, and puts it all into one state-of-the-art app that's super easy to use and can be accessed via any device. And trust me when I tell you, what you can do with it will blow you away. You see, with this incredibly powerful app, you'll be able to easily create amazing, high-definition, pro-quality 2D and 3D videos with dazzling effects and stunning audio in a matter of minutes. And you don't have to know a thing about making videos either. Then if that wasn't enough, we're going to show you exactly how you could use this powerful app to take your visitor engagement to whole new levels, because they'll be mesmerized by your awesome real-time 3D animation videos. You'll take your business to new levels, in fact, while jumping miles ahead of your competition at the same time, without breaking a sweat or breaking your bank account for that matter. I guess you could see why I'm so excited to introduce you to Video Builder. Video Builder allows you to maximize the power of video animation, slick visual and text effects, pro-quality video production, and oh yes, the latest state-of-the-art, revolutionary, lifelike text-to-speech and lip-sync technology that literally floored me when I first saw it demonstrated. It's that amazing. Let me show you a demo. Watch how my voice syncs with the lips of the avatar flawlessly to demonstrate the power of automatic voice recognition technology. Let me show you now that the lips pause automatically when I stop talking and resume when I start talking again. Now, how cool was that? Video Builder has been in development for over 2 years by my partner Powtoon and myself, and we are two highly experienced developers and marketers with over 25 years of combined experience. Now, while listening to our tens of thousands of customers around the globe, we quickly realized there's a clear need for an easy-to-use video app that delivers professional results. Marketers, business owners, product creators, and bloggers are craving a value-packed, super powerful system that will not only get them on the leading edge of video production technology to boost their marketing results, but to keep them there. and without needing to spend hundreds if not thousands of dollars on video production, voiceovers, animation, editing, and 3D avatar creation. Well, Video Builder does all of that and a lot more. Let's face a serious fact here. If you want to stay competitive in today's online marketplace, regardless of what business or niche you're in, if you want more subscribers, more conversions and sales, then you need to leverage the power of video. Look, according to HubSpot, including a video on a landing page can increase conversions by up to 80%. Up to 64% of users are more likely to buy a product online after watching a video. A staggering 92% of mobile video viewers share videos with others, and 90% of users surveyed say that videos are helpful in their purchase decision making. Now, Video Builder enables anyone who can click a mouse to harness the power of video and a whole lot more. And just wait until you see what this awesome app can do over the next few minutes. And now, to give you a quick look at some of what Video Builder delivers, let me hand things over to some of our lifelike 3D avatars. I will let them show you around. Let's start with Jack. Over to you, Jack.
Thanks, Todd. Video Builder gives you the power to create awesome real-time animation videos that tap into the latest and greatest 3D and animation technology, plus a whole lot more. No special skills or knowledge required. Just use our easy interface, follow a few easy steps, and you'll find yourself creating eye-popping, real-time 3D animation videos that will captivate your visitors within minutes. With Video Builder, you can add dazzling text effects, animations, intros, outros, and even lower thirds to any existing videos with just a few clicks, or create entirely new videos from scratch. Camera shy? Don't want to hire an actor or spokesperson? No problem. Simply let me or one of my fellow avatars handle it. You got a great collection of 3D avatars, male and female, along with a wide selection of voices. Just paste in the text of what you want your avatar to say, click a few options, and you're all set. It's that easy.
You can set your avatar to speak with any of 47 voices in any of 24 languages. We even include American, British, and Australian accents, among others. All powered by the world's best text-to-speech technology. And with our latest generation lip-sync text-to-speech technology, your avatars will be more lifelike and attention-grabbing than ever before. See, before avatars' lips just moved randomly, with no pacing, pauses, or rhythm to whatever was being spoken. But now, your avatar's lip movements will always be completely in sync with what's being spoken, like real humans do, which makes them even more realistic and lifelike than ever before. Pretty cool, huh? You can even upload your own recorded voiceover track if you want, or record a voice track directly to the app. Want to shoot your own on-screen videos or use an actor or spokesperson? Not a problem either. With Video Builder, you can add in your own video footage, soundtracks, and other graphical or audio elements, all with just a couple of clicks. Or choose from any of the backgrounds or graphics included in your onboard library, or even upload your own background images or videos. Whatever you want. Video Builder's flexible and highly customizable video canvas capabilities makes your ability to create unique, mesmerizing, and attention-grabbing videos virtually unlimited.
Our super easy to use interface makes it so easy you simply won't believe it. But hang on, there's more. Instead of using boring static PowerPoint slides or tired overdone whiteboard clips to show your text, why not jazz up your text and visual elements with super cool effects, motions, and transitions? With Video Builder, it's super easy to do, with just a couple of clicks. You also get a great media library of graphics, stock video, images, enhancements, and much more. All ready to use with click, drag, and drop. Video Builder is literally all you need to create super professional, eye-catching HD animation videos, complete with visual effects, fluid animation, and graphical accents in just a matter of minutes. You don't even need a camera or microphone.
With the breakthrough multi-track video editor included in the app, you can add your own video footage, soundtracks, images, text effects, animations, voiceovers, and other graphical or audio elements all into one captivating video presentation. This gives you full flexibility to create high-end video productions comparable to videos produced with big-budget video editing and animation software with just a couple of clicks. With Video Builder, you can create awesome 3D explainer and sales videos and produce high-quality full-motion animation intros, outros, openers, lower third editions, inserts, video ads, splashes, and a whole lot more. Take that boring old promotional video from this to this. Be sure to check out the rest of this page to get all the details, and don't forget to check out the demo below. All yours, Todd.
Okay, that was fun, right? Pretty cool. Now, if you've been checking out the market at all lately for an affordable yet powerful video app, I think you'll agree Video Builder is the only cloud-based video production app that allows you to build incredibly powerful, high-quality, real-time 3D animation videos within minutes without the need for any other video apps, plugins, or editors. Video Builder is hosted on Google's state-of-the-art cloud network, so there's nothing to install or to update ever. Just securely access Video Builder through any browser using any device, even your tablet or smartphone, and you're ready to rock. Now, aside from all the incredible features and capabilities, what I think will truly blow you away is Video Builder's incredibly low introductory price, available only during this limited launch period. And be sure to check out the exclusive bonuses too, also available only during this introductory offer, including 2 additional bonus lifelike 3D avatars worth about $1,000 each, 50 royalty-free music tracks worth $20 to $30 apiece, 2 professionally written, ready-made sales scripts, and dozens of animated video backgrounds, all worth $100 to $200 each, and much, much more. Now, these incredible bonuses alone make grabbing Video Builder a total no-brainer. And as always, there's no risk whatsoever to give Video Builder a full test drive with our 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. So check out the rest of this page and take advantage of the really low introductory discount price while it's still available. See what Video Builder can do for you and your business starting today. Then click the button right below to get instant access. This is Todd Gross, and I'll see you soon.